Hey, it's Aubrey. I wanted to make a video about this because it's something that we get asked a lot. I am in a little hallway, so because I like this background. So I'm sorry if there's some noise. Maybe I'll have to record it later, hopefully not. But we don't talk about social media very often, and there's a reason for that. So there are two sides to social media. You probably already know this, but there's organic and there's ads. They are not the same thing, but they do work really well in tandem. Now, our focus at Dandelion Branding is on organic marketing because that's where true loyalty and customer retention is. There are people that spend a lot of time, like all of their time, building ads, and that's not us. So we're not going to waste your time, we're not going to waste your money on your ad spend because that's not our specialty, that's not our expertise. One caveat to that is that we will tell you how cohesive your ads are to the rest of your outward-facing initiatives, which is also super important for customer loyalty. Now, when it comes to what we do, it's a little different than your typical marketer because we build strategies based on single cornerstone pieces of your content. For most businesses, that's not going to be social media. You're looking at blogs, vlogs, podcasts. Those are things that you create really consistently that are connected to your brand values. Strategies are built around that. And we see social media as a tool to bring people into your brand. Social media is not going to keep people on your brand. It's not made that way. It's your job to do that. So we don't talk about it that much because it's just a touch point. It's just a place for you to show up over and over again for refreshing content for your potential customers. And that's really how we treat it. And when we're building strategies for people, we absolutely incorporate social media into it. But since it isn't a huge part of building a strategy, it's just part of pushing your brand outward in an organic way, we don't talk about it that much. However, when we build strategies for our clients, we absolutely build social media into that. It's just it's not the cornerstone piece of content, which is the most important thing for your brand to create so that people know what you're all about. Okay, that's it. That's why we don't talk so much about social media. Have a great day.